reimagining education for a new industrial age. As American manufacturing experiences a powerful resurgence driven by artificial intelligence, robotics, and advanced automation, the need for a skilled, tech-savvy workforce has never been greater. Recognizing this urgent shift, the Kiwanis Club of Rolling Hills Estates, California, has taken bold action. In partnership with local organizations, they launched the Vocational and Occupational Learning and Technology program, VOLT, an innovative, hands-on training initiative aimed at preparing the next generation for careers in high-tech manufacturing. VOLT directly addresses the widening gap between traditional education models and the practical skills required in today's revitalized industrial landscape, providing non-college-bound youth with a meaningful path toward economic opportunity and national competitiveness. The Renaissance of American Manufacturing. In 1945, the United States emerged from World War II as the world's leading industrial power. Wartime production had transformed the economy, with over 40% of GDP tied to manufacturing. American factories produced vast quantities of military goods, accounting for nearly half of global manufacturing output by the war's end, setting the stage for post-war economic expansion. By 1970, U.S. manufacturing reached its civilian peak, contributing around 25% of global manufacturing output. Dominant sectors included automotive, steel, heavy machinery, and emerging electronics. However, competition began to rise from Japan and West Germany, particularly in automobiles and electronics. By 2024, U.S. manufacturing operates in a globalized, technology-driven environment, contributing roughly 10% of GDP. Automation and robotics have replaced many traditional jobs but have dramatically increased productivity. High-value sectors now include semiconductors, electric vehicles, biomanufacturing, and advanced materials. Yet, challenges remain, such as competition from China, high domestic labor costs, and supply chain vulnerabilities. The new face of U.S. manufacturing: AI and robotics. After decades of decline, American manufacturing is undergoing a transformation fueled by artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics. These technologies are redefining how products are designed, produced, and distributed. Smart machines run 24/7, optimize production, reduce waste, and enhance supply chain efficiency. As a result, manufacturing is returning to the U.S., thanks to automation's ability to offset high labor costs and reduce reliance on global suppliers. AI improves product quality through real-time monitoring and allows for iterative development, rapid adaptation to new designs or customer demands. AI and robotics are reshaping jobs, creating demand for skilled technicians, system operators, and programmers. To capitalize on this shift, the U.S. must build a workforce ready to work alongside smart machines. That means overhauling how we educate and train the current generation as well as the next generation. The forgotten workforce: how the education system fell behind. Over the past few decades, the U.S. education system moved away from vocational and technical training, driven by the belief that every student should pursue a four-year college degree. This approach marginalized trades and technical skills, left industries like manufacturing without a skilled labor pipeline, and contributed to rising student debt and underemployment. Today's manufacturing jobs don't necessarily require college degrees, but they do require STEM literacy and hands-on skills in automation, diagnostics, and advanced tooling. These abilities must be taught early and reinforced through modern vocational programs. A path forward: restoring purpose to non-college-bound youth. As of 2023, only about 62% of high school graduates enroll in college, and a high percentage, 32.9%, drop out. Many select majors which have no future and struggle to find relevant employment. Meanwhile, students who do not attend college often lack the training needed for today's in-demand roles, especially in manufacturing, which is increasingly driven by high-tech tools and systems. To meet this challenge, the education system must shift priorities. Restore vocational and STEM-based training in high schools. Create clear pathways to industry-recognized certifications. Partner with industry to offer real-world experience and mentorship. With the right education and training, today's overlooked students can become the backbone of tomorrow's advanced manufacturing economy. Community Innovation in Action, the Volt Pilot Program. In response to these challenges, 3 respected nonprofits in Southern California have launched an innovative training model. Kiwanis Club of Rolling Hills Estates, Boys and Girls Club of San Pedro, PVNet, Advanced Technology, Education and Research Center. Together, they have created the Vocational and Occupational Learning and Technology, VOLT, Pilot Program, a hands-on STEM training initiative for high school graduates not planning to attend college, roughly 40% of graduates. The focus of the program is learning the basics of computer-aided design, CAD, used in engineering and 3D printing. In the VOLT program, the students will learn to design and print 3D models using PVNet's advanced printers. Upon completion of the program, the students will receive a certificate demonstrating successful completion of the course. By bridging education and employment, VOLT provides students with a direct path to careers in high-tech manufacturing. Forging the future of American industry. The revival of American manufacturing is not just a story of machines, it's a story of people. As AI and robotics redefine industry standards, the greatest challenge lies in preparing a workforce that can adapt, innovate, and lead. Programs like VOLT are more than educational initiatives. They are lifelines for a generation of students who have been underserved by a one-size-fits-all system. By equipping young people with real-world, high-tech skills, VOLT and its partners are helping to rebuild a critical link between education and economic prosperity. If the U.S. is to reclaim its role as a global manufacturing leader, it will depend not only on technological innovation, but on community-driven efforts like VOLT that invest in human potential from the ground up. How to get involved. Sponsorship and support. Kiwanis Club of Rolling Hills Estates. KiwanisClubRHE.org. Career-bound. Boys and Girls. Club of the Los Angeles Harbor. BGCLA-Harbor.org. PVNet, Advanced Technology Education and Research Center. PVNet.com.